Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to create a beautiful dashboard from Excel data by using Claude AI. As you can see in the screen here, I have already created this sales performance dashboard. This dashboard is created from this Excel data by using Claude AI. In the sales performance dashboard, you can see the KPIs like total sales revenue, total units sold, top revenue city, top revenue product. Below this you can see the daily sales revenue trend, top 3 product by sales revenue. Below this you can see other graphical presentation of the data like top 3 product by sales quantity, city wise sales revenue distribution, and top 3 cities by sales revenue. We can create this beautiful dashboard from the Excel data by simply giving a prompt to Claude AI. Now let me show you how we can do this. First of all, open any internet browser. Then here in the Google search for Claude AI. Press enter. Open this official website of Claude, that is claude.ai. Click on this. When you open Claude AI for the first time, you should create an account. You can easily create the account by providing email ID. After creating the account, open this page that is Claude AI/new, and here you will have this screen where first of all you need to upload the Excel file. For that, click on this plus button. Click on this add file or photos option. Then locate the Excel workbook. My workbook is here in desktop. This is the workbook sales data. Double click on this. Then the workbook gets attached here. Now you need to give Claude AI what you need to create. That is called the prompt. Here in this Microsoft Word document, I have already written this simple prompt. Create a sales performance and analysis dashboard from this sales data. You should act as a data analysis and visualization expert. So the KPIs like total sales revenue, total units sold, top revenue city, and top revenue product. So charts for top 3 products by sales revenue, daily sales revenue trend, top 3 product by sales quantity, city wise revenue distribution, top 3 cities by sales revenue. For clarity, add data label in the chart. Create a single HTML file of the sales performance and analysis dashboard. So this is a simple prompt I have written, but you can change this prompt, make this prompt more detailed for more detailed output. You can even tell Claude AI to generate the prompt. Then you can copy and paste the prompt. Let me copy this prompt that I have already written here. Copy, then go to Claude AI, then paste the prompt here. Ctrl V, then click on this button. Now Claude AI will start creating the dashboard. It may take few minutes depending upon the size of your data. So wait until the process gets finished. Here you can see the preview of the dashboard is given. You can download this HTML dashboard by scrolling down, and here you have the download option. Let me click on the download option. Open this downloads folder. And here you have the HTML file of the dashboard. Simply double click on this to open. And here you can see this is the sales performance dashboard, which shows the total sales revenue, total units sold, top revenue city is the Houston city, top revenue product is the coffee maker. Scroll down to see the daily sales revenue trend. Here you can see top 3 products by sales revenue. Below this you can see top 3 product by sales quantity, city-wide sales revenue distribution, top 3 city by sales revenue. So this is how you can create this beautiful dashboard by using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in another tutorial.